Love you too. When you turn away from me, that's okay too.
Honey, because we don't know what I... Para sa pork. Like...
And he would put it on, and you know, I guess he had like a...
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys. Hindi okay pakiramdam ko. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. Na giniginaw ako.
This is the only pulp pipe you got?
Yeah. What poop?
It's gonna be longer pipe if you dig it.
Why you take everything down out?
So that I can do the floor properly.
Ngayon, si Tami na lang mag-ano doon kasi only in the door area is stop, okay? Sakit ng ulo ko. So, grabe. And, oh. Natulog ako, guys. Pinukaw, sabi ko, gisingin mo ako pag 2:30. So, ngayon, almost 3 o'clock ako gumising, bumangon, kasi sobrang sakit. Iwan ko, I think, meron akong, iwan ko, sabi ko kay Tami, huwag kang lumapit, sabi pa dialog, hindi ka makahandle, lalabas ka lang. Hindi mo kaya. Sabi ko, hindi kaya. So, ngayon, magluluto ako, guys. Kayanin natin, guys, kahit hindi tayo okay. Luto lang ako. Siya na lang yung mag-ano dun sa ano sa floor. Para matapos yan kasi hindi ko talaga kaya. Pero kailangan kong lutuin kasi bumili ako ng mga anek. Guys, yung inano ko is manok. Yan. Yung sa wings na area. Meron ding thighs, ganon. Ay, puro man ito wings, uy. Ayaw ni Tami, purong wings. Kaya pala sinabi niya, bakit pag bumili ka, puro na lang wings? Inano ko lang siya nilinis, kinuna ng ibang skin. Yan, kinuhanan ko lang siya ng skin. Kinat ko lang yung pinaka-part na end, pinaka-end ng chicken wings. So, yan. Gusto ko lang mahigop ng sabaw, guys, kasi ano, sobrang yung pakiramdam ko na walang sabaw, puro na lang ano. So, yan, magtula lang ako, guys, kasi ano, and yung palamunggay natin, okay na siya. Hi guys, yung chayote pala na binili ko is tinapon ko most of them kasi like the last time na nagtinola ako, yung chayote na nabili ko is ano siya, guys, yung brown na siya. So, ang pangit. Niluto ko siya it doesn't, kahit brown na siya. So, ang nangyari, pag kinain namin, iba yung lasa, guys. Yung sira na siya ba, and then iba yung lasa. So, sabi ko this time, mali. Maganda naman siya tignan, yung chayote. Pero kapag i-open mo na siya, dun mo na siya malalaman na sira siya. Ang paborito ko na ginger and lemongrass. Right. Okay, kailangan ko na itong split, guys. Lutuin yung kabilang side para equal. Wings pala itong ano natin, sabaw. Puro bukog. Come here! Come here, baby! Come! You listen to mom! Come, Roxy! Can you tell her? Hi, baby, baby! Baby, baby! Baby, 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 baby! Dimples! Dimples! Somebody's jealous. Go kiss, kiss Dimples! Dimple, dimple, dimple! I love you, Dimp! You've been sleeping there? Huh? You sleeping over there, baby? Kiss. Hi, Bug. Everybody's jealous and look. Come here. Hi, Bug Bug. Hello, Bug Bug. Ang lemongrass din na luto. So ngayon, we're going to add water. What do you want me to see? Nagluluto ako dito. Tawag ba?
I'm definitely he's just watching it.
What, did she finish his?
Nope, he didn't even touch it yet.
So why he have to eat whatever his sister?
Well, he did. He was just sitting there watching everything.
No, he ate something, Han.
He was just sitting down there to eat something now. He just sat there and let her eat and watch.
Tinulang manok. Konti lang yung sabaw na i-ano ko, guys, kasi ako lang naman yung kakain. I think okay na yan. Look at my mango, guys. Ooh.
3:30. Should I give the puppies a treat too?
Huh?
How about I give you one of those little green balls?
Oh. Sarap, sarap. So, mamaya, kukunin lang natin yung oil dyan. You know what? Lagyan ko siya ulit ng tubig, guys. Very small chayote because the rest is really bad. And I'm cooking this also for him. And also leftover for tomorrow. Yun. So, yun lang yun, guys.
We had cream mushroom soup. You can put it in the pasta with cream mushroom soup.
Tommy is busy. Kung lilingon ka, akin ka. Kung lilingon ka, akin ka. Kung lilingon ka, akin ka. Ang dami kong oil na nakukuha. Oh. Luto tayo ng mushrooms. Dito lang siya sa malaking Danburuin. Mushrooms. I-add na natin si chayote, guys. Add natin. Kunting chayote lang to.
I think I can do a lot of cook.
Ha?
I think I can do a lot of cook.
Where are they? After that, when you're done, they're gonna come out soon. Ano lang manok. Habang ako ay nagluluto, yung mister ko is busy. Hala, oy. Hala, oy. Sinawagod. Hala, oy. Sinawagod na dong. Busy good, oy. Hala, oy, one stroke, Han.
Even white spots, so you gotta do it.
Sinawa, Yan, balik tayo sa kusina, guys. Misty, Ayan, masarap ito sa steak, guys. Kasama yung steak, lagyan ng gravy, feeling ko okay na ako dahil nag-take ako ng alib, guys. Yung alib is maganda talaga yan. Kapag hindi maganda yung pakiramdam mo, take ka ng alib. Headache, body ache, yun siya. So, ngayon, mag-pork na naman tayo. Magluto tayo ng pork. Hindi ko nagamit. So, gagamit tayo nito isa. Okay, guys. Ang gagawin ko, dahil tumubo siya, we're going to plant this. Tumubo siya. Is open this up. Yeah, it's growing. Look. So, ready to plant. Meron na tayong garlic. Pang-plant ng garlic. Garlic is growing, baby. I'm going to replant this. Ilagay lang natin siya sa ano, guys. Look. Tumubo siya, yeah.
Oh, there's more, what's the name of it, right?
Love is goodbye. You don't like it? What is it?
Cop show.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
You never watch it.
We did.
You never watch it.
The two
You watch it
girls.
with me.
The two girls. Who you think I'm with all the time, Tommy? Do I have? You always said I have a guy. I'm with somebody.
I don't watch that show. You didn't watch it.
I'm with somebody who I'm with. It's like always question who I'm with. I wish I'm with other somebody. No, come here, love.
Too late.
Come
You said it. It's too late.
Love, come here.
Too late.
Come here, baby.
Too late.
Baby, baby, come here, baby. Sexy.
No, too late.
Oh, come back. Come, come,
Can't
come.
take it back. Said it already.
Come here. I love you. I love you.
Sure.
I love you.
Sure, too late.
I love you. I love you, baby. Not you. Dada.
The truth comes out.
The truth come out. Baby. Baby. I love you. You know what I really feel?
Yeah.
Oh. You are the man. You are my
Yeah.
I love
I don't want to grab those dishes because they're not prepared.
you. Just do it.
I know.
Just come here a little bit, Daddy can see you.
Wait,
You're too long.
I'm too long. Yeah, like crouch my back.
I love you.
What are we doing? You turn away from me. That's okay too.
Honey, because we don't know what I feel something, huh?
Uh,
Honey, everything is like
yeah.
why everything is need to be like
Why are you not lying down then?
hon? I don't wanna be because if I lie down I get so worse. I get worse. Ito yung chicken tinola natin. Ang saya tignan. Ang sarap lang guys ng feeling na magtinola tayo, di ba? Pero, dalawa yung niluluto ko na ulam, tinola at saka itong pork. Pero, hindi naman siya marami. Konti lang siya guys, so okay lang yan. Yung. Yung. So guys, nilagyan ko siya ng tubig guys. Yon. Pabukalin natin siya ng pabukalin hanggang mawala yung tubig. Kaya yung tomato niya, ito yung style ko ngayon. Tomato niya is para matulungang mag-tenderize sa pork. So yun. And pabayaan lang natin siya dyan. Look, hinarvest ko yung scallion para sa pork. Look. They're playing and yung dalawa naglalaro. Hobbs! Come here, bug! Hobbs! Come here, little boy! Hobbs! No! You cannot go in there! No! Stay put! Dada's doing something here.
I can probably let the hair keep coming.
Last coat daw niya ito, guys. Hobbs is right here watching. So, yun. That's Mama's Bootsy. Bootsy. Nilagay ni Tommy dito lahat. Dito din. Meron pa pala akong sapatos. Ano? Go away. Pagkagahi yun ni mo alimpatakan ba? Iringa ka. I told you he's gonna come on that hole over there. That's the first thing he look.
Hon, I know that.
How come you know that?
Because you want to go to the stairs.
Hala, not so much, hon. That's the last part.
You want to go upstairs, that's why.
Ay, nako. Tago-tago ka pa dyan. Nako talaga to. Where is your sister? Ito tong ulan din. Hindi din, himuinto. Han, don't come here because seems like he following you for food. Look.
Hey, little man.
Tignan natin, be. Okay. Yun yung original na color, guys, ng wool. Hindi ko pininturahan dyan. Kasi ano lang naman yan eh. Sirado palagi. So, bahala siya. Hey, stay there. Stay there. You two, stay. Stay. No. Where are you guys? You cannot come here. Look, tignan no. Tina-transfer ko dito siya. Yan. And then, lagyan ko siya ng sugar.
But, hey, look, the dogs are pretty great. You saw them go there and they just fly around when you come to.
And now,
So I was out running around all night. Because to sit there and stare at a TV set, it puts me to sleep.
well, but even, you know, again, in my younger days,
And this way, when I wake up, I have something to watch.
yeah, and he would put it on, and, you know, I guess he had like I guess.
Hello guys, ito ang kitchen. Tapos na tayo dyan. Kanina lang na tinatapos ko lang yung ano ko. Yung video ko. Huh? What is the problem? Are you okay? Is my monkey okay? Do you wanna go out? Ang pipi, ang quick, hurry, ang pupo. Hi, love. My husband is playing. You're playing?
Yeah. Looking at myself and playing, waiting for you to be ready now.
Hey! Honey, I miss huggy with you. Your bangs is nicer than mine.
That bangs just got scraggly hair.
Did you check online if they're open?
Yeah.
And they're closed?
Yeah.
No
I
hurt.
didn't figure they'd be open. I went to shop.
So there's a lot of people growing here. Like they're here. Tommy's cousin is like having a here like here. Vlog. We're gonna end the vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And manonood lang kami ng movie ni Tamimoy. Okay. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.
See you mañana. Is that what it is?
Yes. Oh, yeah, Spanish.
And I'm gonna let Misty out for a quick hand. What are you doing, Babug? Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Palabasin ko lang si Misty.